Welcome. George Gillis Jr. here, and I wanted to take a few minutes to welcome you guys and thank you very much for submitting your email on the previous page before this. And I just wanted to give you a little heads up, a little bit about myself as an affiliate marketer for the past 5 years and how this system, the Click Wealth system, was able to implement at such a cheap one-time price to get started, to start generating affiliate commissions for this program. Now, this system is actually web-based form, and you can purchase it, download it, and have it up and running in no time. But the system works because I've been working it, and like I said, as an affiliate marketer, I've been around for quite a bit of time. I've saw a lot of things, a lot of systems, a lot of webinars, a lot of guru claims that ain't about nothing. But I've learned how to take a system, promote it, and make it work. And it has social proof on it. Now, what I want you to do is watch the video on the next page, and this will allow you to uh, make money online easily as possibly as you can. The simple steps is take action. Don't let the system stop you from making anything online. If you're looking to become an affiliate marketer and you want to try to learn how to make money online, you have to take action steps. Do what the system instructs you to do. Now, like I said, all you have to do is watch this video on the next page, and get started today, and we'll see you on the inside. If you need any help, we'll be there for you. Thank you very much, and have a blessed and prosperous day. See you on the inside.